on our last segment, we learned the right technique for cooking hard-boiled eggs so that they would peel easily. So I just wanted to do a quick demonstration of the peeling. I've been working on some eggs here, and I like to do this under running water, but you know, crack the egg on the counter just like you saw, and then we will, easy, easy, easy. Isn't that cool? And you know, I love deviled eggs. I can eat them plain with salt and pepper. I love them on a salad. You know, the Japanese udon calls for a hard-boiled egg on top of that wonderful, those wonderful noodles and broth. Of course, you can make sandwiches, but one of my favorite things is deviled eggs. So I just wanted to show you really quickly how I do this. So, of course, once the eggs are cooked and peeled, I just cut them in half lengthwise. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but there you go. And in a small bowl, and then I just mash up the yolks. You know, you could even do this in a processor if you had a big batch or something. But you just mash them nice and fine, and then you just, you know, however you want to season them. You have to start with salt and pepper, and then you know, some people might want curry, and I think I will put a little bit of curry powder in there. Okay, and oops, some mayonnaise. Don't think we need a ton of that. Mustard, I don't know. You can put hot sauce, salsa. You can use green onions. There's no exact science to this. Okay, those look pretty firm. I'm just going to add a tiny bit more mayonnaise. All right. Now I just want to show you a quick little trick to filling the little centers of the eggs. You could just spoon it in, but there is an easier way. So let me show you real quick. Take a little baggie, okay? Just a little plastic bag like that. Or if you have a piping bag, that of course would work great. And I'm just going to scoop this and put it all in there. All right, set that aside. And now I'm just going to squeeze it all to a corner, right? And just cut off the tip. All right, so I've got my little tip open, and now I'm just gonna, slippery devils. They're a little wet on the bottom, and so that's why they're, but maybe it's better to leave them on the, well, they just want to travel. They just want to travel. You will just hold it. Now I'm getting the hang of it. Okay, just hold them. Give them a nice little swirl. Isn't this cool? And you know, if you want to put them on a platter and garnish it with paprika, that's sort of the traditional thing to do. Or, anyway, let me get two more. Looks like, ooh, do I have enough for one more? I think so. And, whoa. Oh, you know, when there are deviled eggs at a party or at a buffet, I just go crazy. I love them. Let me try them. I probably should have tasted the filling beforehand, but I'm pretty confident it's delicious. Let me see. I love it. Great ways, excuse me, should not talk with your mouth full. Great ways to use eggs this holiday season.